Walmart can change the price of anything on its shelves in seconds. Not overnight, not between shifts, seconds. And by the end of this year, every single Walmart in America will have this technology installed. But the part nobody's talking about is what the technology makes possible after it's in place. We'll get there. It's called a digital shelf label, a small electronic screen that replaces the paper price tag under every product. Right now, Walmart stores carry tens of thousands of items with thousands of price changes every week. Rollbacks, markdowns, promotions, seasonal shifts. Under the old system, employees walked the aisles, swapping paper tags by hand. It could take multiple associates several days to update a single store. Digital shelf labels eliminate that entirely. One click from a central system updates prices across an entire department or the entire store in minutes. Walmart says this frees associates to help customers instead of changing tags. And that's true. Subscribe if you want more like this. But efficiency is only part of the story. Walmart recently secured 2 patents for this technology. One describes an AI-driven system that analyzes purchasing patterns to suggest pricing adjustments. The other covers updating item prices dynamically and automatically on their e-commerce platform. Walmart says the AI tool is for managing discounts. Critics say it's a blueprint for something else. And here's the part that makes lawmakers nervous. Walmart already uses dynamic pricing on its website. Prices shift based on demand, inventory, and competition. The digital shelf labels now give them the exact same capability inside the physical store. The infrastructure is identical. The only difference is a policy decision not to use it. If you like stuff like this, subscribe. We break down videos like this every week. Senator Ben Ray Lujan introduced the Stop Price Gouging in Grocery Stores Act, which would ban digital shelf labels in any grocery store over 10,000 square feet. Congresswoman Val Hoyle is sponsoring similar legislation in the House. Her argument is simple. Once the technology is in place, there's nothing stopping its misuse. Even if Walmart doesn't use surge pricing today, the infrastructure exists to change prices based on demand, time of day, inventory levels, or local conditions. And Walmart isn't alone. Kroger started using digital labels in 2018. Whole Foods made the switch back in 2016. Target, Best Buy, and Nordstrom have all adopted them. In Europe and Australia, digital shelf labels have been standard in some stores for over a decade. The data backs up why retailers want this so badly. 53% of Walmart's price changes in 2025 were markdowns. Digital labels mean those discounts hit the shelf immediately instead of sitting in a queue for days. Frozen foods and dairy have the highest price volatility, deep discount rates around 35%. For shoppers, faster markdowns can mean better deals on clearance and perishables. But the same system that drops a price in seconds can raise one just as fast. And here's what most people don't realize. Your shopping habits are already being tracked through apps, loyalty accounts, and point-of-sale data. The digital shelf label is just the last piece of a system that already knows what you buy, when you buy it, and how much you're willing to pay. The question was never whether prices change. They always have. The question is, who controls the speed? And whether you'll know it happened. That paper tag you trusted for decades is disappearing from 4,600 stores this year. And the screen replacing it can update before you reach the register. Check this one off your things I didn't know list. And if you want to see more, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share with someone you know. There's another video waiting for you right now. Click the video on your screen. 5 minutes, no filler. Thanks for watching.